So now let's see how we can work around with print preview option inside of WordPad. So in order to work around with print preview option, I need to go around into file, and then I need to go around into print option right here. So once you go in over here, you can see that print preview is an option. So once I click on it, what happens is that you get on to the print preview option. So you have, this is the title right here. This is the page that will be printed. You can also see both of the pages by clicking on two pages right here. From the print preview option, you can go around and print the document. So if you were to click on print, you got the print option. And if you were to go around into print preview again, let's say for example, print preview, you also have access to the page setup option. Let's say for example, if you do not want 2 inches of margin on the left side, let's say you want 3 inches and press OK, you can see that it resizes the page. Over here, you can see that you have the next page option. So if I were to click on next page, it goes on to the next page. And if I were to click on previous page, it goes on to the previous page. And what you can do is you can close the print preview, and this is what happens. You get back onto the editing menu. And that is how you can work around with the print preview option inside of WordPad. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.